welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys, happy Monday. Oh my goodness, yes, Monday and a new month. So Monday and a new month, this is amazing. This is great. I am praying that my week goes magically and something spectacular happens. And guys, you know, this weekend, first of all, did you all have a good weekend? Because I had an okay weekend. I got not the greatest news on the planet, and it kind of stressed me out all weekend. But then, you know, I relaxed on Sunday night and I regrouped. And then this morning I just woke up with a whole fresh new attitude and saying to myself, you know what? God does make miracles happen all the time, and maybe my miracle is just around the corner. So that's what I'm praying on. I'm praying on that my personal miracle might not mean anything to someone else, but it does to me, is just around the corner. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of the video, and we don't need me to babble too much, because I realized I'm a little behind on the game. Everybody's posting their Easter home tours, and I'm not even done the kitchen yet. I mean, never mind the living room. So, and I want to switch out the front hallway, but that's another story. Okay, guys, so back here, we're going to decorate this together, and let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're going to do this table here together, and I've gathered a whole bunch of stuff here. I put them beside me, and so let's just get decorating together. Okay, so I'll tell you where everything is from, if I can remember, and how much I paid for it. And we're also gonna do that little top shelf up there because I just love that shelf. So I got this runner. I don't know if I showed this in the shopping haul or not. I'm gonna put it down here. Anyways, I already cleaned the table, so just so you know. So it's yellow and white gingham, and I think it's so, so cute. Let me see if I can angle you a little bit better this way. Okay. Can you see me? Okay. So if you remember this, I bought this, or did I have this? Oh no, I got this at Home Goods a while ago, and I got it on clearance for $11. And then I just put the greenery in. And originally I only had these yellow little picks, like little, I don't know what these are, like they have little pit berries on them and little yellow balls. But I stuck some for Cynthia in them. And I also put some of this green pick in there. And I just wanted to make it a little bit bigger. And I didn't change out my painting. I'm gonna leave the painting. So I put that there. Okay. Then, I think I hauled this for you guys. Sorry, I moved the camera. I think I hauled this for you guys. I'm pretty sure it was Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Yeah, it was one of these. And then I have this really nice pedestal, and I'm just gonna put it here. Can you see that? Anyways, you know I'm gonna pan in closer so you guys can get a better look. But I thought the little yellow eggs look really nice with the yellow picks. So I did that. Okay, if you guys followed me on the last time I decorated this area, I had this little cloche, and I had it very simple. I just had the little potted plant in there, but now I just added a few little eggs in the plant, and then these little sparkly dollar store eggs from I think these are Dollar Tree actually, and then I have it on this pedestal, and I really like this. So I'm gonna put this here. Can you see that there? Can you see? Okay. Well, I'm gonna pan in closer so you can see it better. And then I'm just gonna put this sign. It says, rise and shine, y'all. And I think the yellows all will tie in really nice together. So that's the one side. And now let's move to this side. And I'm gonna move the camera over. And I moved the camera over. So now I wanna make like a vignette on this side. And I gotta show you this. This is so cute. Okay, first of all, I got this tray at the dollar store here in Canada. And it was only $4, and I just recently bought it. So if anyone's interested in this, but a friend of mine here on YouTube did a tray, and she used this decal Her name is Casey. Sorry, let me pan up so you can see me a little bit better. Okay, her name is Casey, and her channel's name, I'm pretty sure Casey did this. I hope. And I'm not mentioning the wrong person because that would be terrible, right? She did a tray DIY, and she used this decal from the Dollar Tree, and I loved it. I thought, oh my God, first of all, I love what it says. I love what it says. It says, faith, it does not make things easy, it makes them possible. And then it's Luke 1:37. So guys, you know, I told you at the beginning, I'm praying on a miracle. And isn't this befitting? That's right. Everybody should have a little faith in their life. So I'm putting that there. Okay, I'm gonna pan down so you can see better. Okay, so I just put my tray there. I think it looks really cute, right? Okay, and then I'm still gonna use these two candle holders that I had because I really like these. And I always love having a little bit of mercury glass. Hold on. I like having a little bit of mercury glass or silver in all my decor. How did I have this? Okay, there. Okay, and oh, these are probably from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, like, ooh, good long time ago. For sure, a long time ago. I think maybe 2 years. And then these candles are the flameless, birch log candles that you buy. Now those could be Pure One or God knows where. Anyways, then I have this really nice spring flower arrangement. It's got like the faux little rocks in the water, and I've had this for a long time. And I'm pretty sure this is from Home Goods also, or TJ Maxx. So I just put that there, and I got a little vignette going. But I wanted to bring some Easter in. And do you remember this bunny? I love him, he's so cute. So I just put Mr. Bunny here, and he's kind of looking at the flowers, and then that's the vignette. But look at this, it's so cute. Because we're in the kitchen, right? So I wanted to follow my kitchen theme. This is a salt and pepper shaker, and I'm pretty sure it's from Crackle Barrel. I got it last year when we were down south. So cute thing. I just put the little salt and pepper shaker there. Okay, so that's it. So now let's go to the top shelf. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do that top shelf. I'm gonna show it to you. I took everything off that I had put there for early spring, and I got a whole bunch of new stuff, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, hold on, I'm just bending down. Okay, do you remember these? Let me pop them out. Do you remember these from the dollar store? Okay, well, yesterday I made these frames for them, and they're just simple MDF frames. I had leftover wood, and then I routered out the back, and you could see my messy paint job on the back. And then you just pop them in, and you got yourself a high-end frame. Isn't it cute? So cute. And this costs nothing. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so I'm gonna put these two up there. I'm just gonna show you all the stuff that I'm gonna put up there because I have to climb on a ladder actually to get up there, but I wanted to show you this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Isn't this adorable? So I have two of these down in my basement, and I got these, ooh, Lord, a long time, oh, well, must be, it's gotta be at least 4 years ago, and they're from Walmart. So I wanna use this, and look what I got this weekend on my shopping trip, because you know I went shopping. I actually got this from Burlington Coat Factory. Isn't it adorable? So cute. And I thought, oh my goodness, that is adorable for the kitchen. But look at this. Guys, it was only $4.99. I don't know why, and it doesn't matter to me. So I got it. I thought, $5? Really? Okay, done. And what else am I gonna use up there? Oh, I know what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use some of these greenery picks that I have. I have 3 of them. And I'm gonna place everything up there, and then I'll show you the final product, and then you could see the whole final product of everything. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just wanna pan in real close so you could see how everything looks. Isn't that bird cage, the bird cage with the yellow eggs, the cutest? I am so in love with this yellow flower arrangement. And guys, this was so easy. Remember, all this stuff is really from the dollar store. And, you know, just some other things scattered in. And there you can see Mr. Bunny. And I hope I got it right who made that tray. And there you go. So that's the table. This is the top. I'm gonna try and pan in closer, but I just wanted to give you a look of what it all looks like together. So this is what you see when you walk into my kitchen. So that's the look there. Isn't that the cutest? Here's a closer look of the shelf. For anyone that's new, I got this shelf actually at Home Goods just a little while ago, really. Not that long ago. Didn't that Dollar Tree signs come out so cute? I love them. I love this little clock. Oh my God, my little teapot clock. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna see that all over the place in my house. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I love your comments, and I have to say thank you so much for all your comments for my Friday video. I so appreciate it, and I know I answered everybody already, so thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing week ahead. I hope something magical happens for you, and thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. And on Wednesday, let's do more decorating videos. Yeah, that's right, all this week. I actually might post 4 videos this week. So fingers crossed, let's see if I get it done. Okay, bye guys. Have an amazing evening, and I will see you very soon. Bye.